Hey Homespot creators, before you toss those fallen branches, what if you could turn them into stunning garden art? In this video, we're unlocking amazing ways to transform simple sticks into breathtaking outdoor installations that will completely elevate your landscape. Get ready to be inspired, and let's start building something beautiful together. Transform those long, straight branches into a rustic ladder trellis to add immediate vertical interest to your garden walls. By lashing horizontal rungs to vertical poles with natural twine, you create a sturdy framework perfect for climbing roses or ivy to conquer. Unlike metal alternatives, this structure blends seamlessly with the outdoors. As the vines take over, the wood disappears into the greenery, leaving you with a floating wall of blooms that feels organic and intentionally designed for your space. Create an entryway that feels like a portal to a secret garden by building a natural arbor. Select your thickest, curviest branches to form the main archway, anchoring them firmly into the ground. This structure frames your path beautifully, inviting guests to step through and explore. Over time, train jasmine to drape over the top, creating a fragrant, living tunnel. It creates a wonderful sense of transition, making even a small backyard feel grand and truly magical. Add gentle movement to your landscape with kinetic hanging mobiles. Find a perfectly balanced branch and suspend it from a high tree limb using clear fishing line or rustic twine. From this base, hang lightweight treasures like feathers, seashells, or smaller twigs that catch the wind. This installation dances with the slightest breeze, adding a dynamic visual element that changes throughout the day. It is a simple way to bring life to the space above your head. For a touch of magic, use the smallest twigs to construct a miniature world at the base of a tree. You can glue tiny sticks together to form intricate fences, arbors, and gates for a whimsical fairy garden. This project requires patience but results in a delightful surprise for anyone who looks closely at your garden beds. It adds a layer of storytelling to your landscape, turning a quiet corner into an enchanted scene straight out of a storybook. Challenge your creativity by assembling branches of various thicknesses to create imaginative animal sculptures. Look for pieces that naturally resemble legs or antlers and piece them together to form deer, birds, or abstract creatures. These wooden guardians stand gracefully among tall grasses or wildflowers, appearing as if they have just emerged from a forest. It is a fantastic way to repurpose odd shape wood into a conversation piece that gives your garden a unique personality. Music belongs in the garden, and you can create it using nature itself. Gather dry, hardwood branches of different lengths and thicknesses, then hang them close together from a horizontal support using jute rope. When the wind blows, the wood clatters together to produce a soft, hollow clunking sound that is far more soothing than metal chimes. It provides a gentle, rhythmic soundtrack to your outdoor relaxation space, grounding you in the natural environment. Turn a large, structurally interesting branch into a lighting feature that transforms your garden after dark. Find a limb with many forks and wrap it tightly with warm white string lights, tracing every curve and knot. Whether you hang it above a patio table or prop it up in a dark corner, the lights highlight the beautiful silhouette of the wood. This creates a cozy, warm ambience that invites you to stay outside long after the sun is set. Don't just stack your firewood. Turn it into a textured wall art installation. By cutting branches and logs of the same length but varying diameters, you can stack them within a frame to create a mosaic of end grains. You can even arrange them to form waves or circular patterns. This creates a stunning visual barrier or backdrop that highlights the raw beauty of the timber, adding a rich, tactile texture to your patio or garden boundary. Give a second life to a standing dead tree trunk or a thick post by turning it into a birdhouse totem. Mount a decorative birdhouse securely on top, or attach several smaller ones at different heights along the trunk. This not only creates a focal point with vertical height, but also invites wildlife into your garden. It is a functional piece of decor that supports the local ecosystem, bringing the joy of birdwatching right to your window. Define your garden beds with the ancient technique of wattle fencing. Drive sturdy stakes in the ground along the edge of your path, then weave long, flexible whips of wood in and out between them. This creates a low, beautiful retaining wall that holds back soil and mulch while separating your lawn from your flowers. It adds a charming cottage garden aesthetic that looks much more natural and expensive than plastic edging or concrete blocks. If you have a dead tree that cannot be removed, turn it into a canvas. Strip the bark and use outdoor-safe paints to cover the trunk in bold geometric patterns or bright abstract designs. This splash of color can cheer up a shady corner where flowers struggle to grow. It is a bold design choice that turns potential eyesore into a deliberate artistic statement, bridging the gap between traditional landscaping and modern outdoor art installations. Create a festive atmosphere year-round by crafting simple 5-pointed stars from straight twigs. Tie the ends together with twine and hang them at varying heights from a pergola or tree branch. These geometric shapes look beautiful spinning slowly in the breeze and cast intriguing shadows when the sun shines through them. They are incredibly simple to make, but when grouped together, create a sophisticated, bohemian hanging display that elevates the look of your outdoor ceiling. There is nothing more nostalgic than a simple swing. If you have a sturdy enough horizontal branch on a living tree, hang a thick, smooth log seat using strong natural fiber rope. This minimal design blends perfectly with the landscape, unlike bright plastic playground equipment. It offers a quiet place to sit and enjoy the view, adding a playful yet elegant element to your yard that appeals to both children and adults alike. Build a tower-like obelisk to add architectural structure to your herb garden. Use 4 main branches for the corners and connect them with smaller cross pieces as you move upward, narrowing the structure at the top. This provides a perfect climbing frame for plants, lifting the greenery off the ground to save space. It acts as a vertical exclamation point in your garden beds, drawing the eye upward and adding a sense of formal design to a rustic space. Dress up plain plastic pots or weathered terracotta by weaving small twigs around their base. You can create a collar by tying sticks together vertically and wrapping them around the container. This instantly unifies your potted plant collection with a consistent rustic look. It brings the texture of the forest floor up onto your patio or deck. making even the simplest store-bought planter look like a custom, handcrafted piece of garden decor. Create a whimsical garden path using the cross sections of fallen branches. Slice thick branches into discs of varying sizes and set them into a bed of sand or gravel, fitting them together like a puzzle. The exposed rings of the wood create a beautiful, warm pattern underfoot. This soft, permeable paving solution blends perfectly into a woodland setting, offering a dry place to walk that feels much softer and more inviting than concrete pavers. Bring the outside into your potting shed or onto your fence by using naturally forked branches as hooks. Find branches with strong Y shape, trim them down, and screw them onto a wooden backing or directly onto a wall. These are incredibly strong and perfect for hanging coiled hoses, rakes, or watering cans. It is a practical storage solution that maintains the rustic organic theme of your garden, turning utility into a decorative feature. And there you have it, unique ways to breathe new life into fallen branches. We've shown how simple it could become anything from rustic trellises to modern art, proving that your garden's next masterpiece is already waiting for you. If you love these ideas and feel inspired to create, show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to Homespot, and letting us know in the comments which project you will try first.